Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Art of Decode. First and foremost, thank you for some more support me and my channel. Let's get started. Here are some inspiring benefits of incredible shadow arts. Enhance creative and imagination. Creating shadow arts require innovation thinking to push us to the boundaries of traditional art forms, fostering a deeper level of creativity and imagination in artists. Therapeutic stress relieving. The process of creating and observing shadow arts can be soothing and meditative, helping to reduce stress and promote mindfulness and relaxations. Unique visual appeal. Shadow arts captivative with its dynamic and ever-changing visuals, transforming space with intriguing and elegant patterns that catch the eyes. Accessible and versatile. Shadow arts can be created using simple everyday materials and light sources, making it an exclusive and adaptive form of art of people of all skills levels. Educational art forms. Shadow art provides a hand-on learning experience that make complex concept of lights, geometry, and perspective engaging and tangibles. Interactive and engaging. Shadow arts installation often invite viewers' interaction, creating a dynamic and participatory expressions that depends on connection with the artworks. Storytelling medium. Shadows can convey powerful narratives and evoke deep emotions, adding a rich layer of meaning and emotional connection to the artwork. Cultural and historical significance. Incorporating traditional show play into contemporary art honors cultural heritage and enriches appreciation of historical artistic practices. Promotes mindfulness. The meticulous process of creating and observing shadow arts enhance awareness and appreciation of light and forms, promoting a mindful and contemplative state. Community building. Public shadow arts projects can foster a sense of shared purpose and collaborations, bringing communities together through collective creativity. Expand artist's boundaries. Shadow arts challenge conventional notions of art, encouraging artists of explore new mediums and techniques, contributing to evolution of the artwork. Create unique home decor. Shadow art serves a distinctive and dynamic home decor, adding characters and depth to any space with its ever-changing visual appeal. Inspire future generations. The innovations nature of shadow arts can inspire young artists to explore their creativity and push the boundaries of their own artistic expressions, visual representations of concepts. Shadow arts can effectively illustrate abstract ideas, making them more accessible and understandable through visual responsibilities. Enhance spatial awareness. Creating and observing shadow arts helps improve spatial awareness by encouraging a deeper understanding of how objects, lights, and space interact to produce shadows. Encourages innovations. Shadow art pushes artists to think outside the box, leading to innovations, approaches, and techniques that can be applied to other artists, disciplines, and creative projects. Elevate public space. Shadow arts installation can transform public space, making them more vibrant and inviting, which enhance community engagement and aesthetics appreciations. Offer a new perspective. Shadow arts challenge viewers to see ordinary objects and lights in a new way, fostering a mindset that appreciates hidden beauty and the potential of transformation in everyday life. Thank you for watching my video and please support me and my channel and do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.